Who wrote the rule that said a thing with feathers absolutely has to fly?